Hello, my name is Sharon and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a versus video. So we are going to be trying out, this is one of my favorite concealers, of course, as all of you guys know, the Tarte Shape Tape. Oop, let's see if we can, there we go. The Tarte Shape Tape, and we are going to see if it is a dupe for the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is a new concealer that they recently came out with. I don't know if you can really see it there with my lights. This is a new concealer that they recently came out with, and everybody is saying that it's a dupe. So I went to Ulta yesterday and I just had to try it out. I don't even know if this is really my color. They were sold out. They're sold out on their website when I last checked it. So I mean, they look really close and really similar. So I think just the undertone might be a little bit off, but hopefully it works out okay. Like I said, I think these two are pretty close, if not exactly the same shade. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look and see which one is going to work out best. You guys, I am honestly filming this. It's like almost 11 o'clock at night. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is so late at night. I don't know why I'm doing this so late, but I was like, oh, I want to play with my camera and I want to try out this new concealer, so here we are. I actually have a day off tomorrow, so that's why we are doing this video today. So let's go ahead and get started. The foundation that I'm going to be using this over is the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and this is 110, the color Porcelain. So the reason I'm usually not this white, like I am white, but I'm usually not that white. The reason I got this color so white is that it oxidizes by like 2 shades on me. So I originally got the 115 shade, and that made me so dark you could see the line. It was just not a good sight. So I went with the Porcelain. It is a little too light for me, but I bronze and contour and all that, so I kind of like being a little bit more white. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this video, so stay tuned if you want to see which one will win. Will it be the Revolution, the Makeup Revolution concealer, or will it be the Tarte Shape Tape? We're going to try the Makeup Revolution concealer on the right eye, and we're going to be doing the Tarte Shape Tape on the left eye. The primer that we're going to be using is my NYX No Filter primer, because I don't want to waste my Smashbox. This primer I love as well, so, but I don't want to waste my Smashbox photo finish at 10:30 at night or 10:38 at night when I have nowhere to go. So obviously I do have a lot of problem areas right now, but let's go ahead and see if the concealer will help cover all that up as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I love putting my foundation on with a brush, and then I go in with a damp sponge right here, and I just like to pick up that excess foundation, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that now. Whew, look at that ghost face. So we're gonna go ahead and get a not a beauty blender, this is just my, I don't even know what brand this is. I got it at Kohl's, but I love this sponge. Alright, so here we go. It's going to take a little bit of time for this to dry down, and like I said, it does oxidize quite a bit on me, but I think I'm actually starting to get kind of tanned because I've been out in the sun for a little bit. I'm really looking at it now and it really does look white, so we'll go ahead and darken that up here in a bit anyways. But let's go ahead. So I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution concealer on my right eye. So let's go ahead and apply that. And then we are going to do the Tarte Shape Tape on the other eye. So I'm noticing the smell I like the way the Tarte Shape Tape smells better. The Makeup Revolution one, I don't know what it really smells like. It's like a hard, it almost smells like paint thinner. So we're gonna use our Real Techniques sponge and we're gonna blend out the Makeup Revolution one first. And now on the opposite side, actually I'm going to use the flat side so that we don't get any. These are both clean, or this sponge is clean, but I'm going to be using the opposite side for the Tarte Shape Tape. And we are just going to blend that in. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Powder in Banana Yellow. This is the powder that I've been using and I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and set it and let's see how it looks after that. Alright, so everything is set in place. I brushed away my baking and I think they both look really good. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm not gonna do the full face because like I said it's like 11 o'clock at night. I'm gonna go ahead and do the finish the face. I'm not gonna do eyeshadow, eyebrows, lashes, lips, all of that. I just want to focus on the face right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that up and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright you guys, I've bronzed, I've blushed, I've contoured, I highlighted. So I think everything is done on my face that I normally do. And can you guys really tell a difference? So here is with my ring lights. And let's see. And here it is in my natural lighting right now. I mean, I think they both pretty much look the same. So I don't know. I honestly can't tell a difference. I can't, I don't see one. I did wear this, the Makeup Revolution concealer all day today. And it wore, to me, in my opinion, it wore the same as the Tarte Shape Tape. I do have more dry skin though, so I don't know if somebody who's a little bit more oily, I don't know how, you know, the formula would maybe work on somebody like that. But for me, for somebody who has pretty dry skin all the time, I do have an oily, not really T-zone, just my nose. Like, I don't get like oily up on my forehead, just like on my nose, like on certain parts of it too, which is kind of weird. But the concealer held up really good on that as well. One thing to note, I forgot to say this at the beginning of my video, but the the Makeup Revolution concealer has 0.11 fluid ounces for $7, and the Tarte Shape Tape has 0.33 fluid ounces for $27. So I mean, if you, since this has 0.11 ounces, if you times this by 3, 7 times 3 is 21, and this is 27, so you are going to be saving like $6 for the exact same thing, if that's something, you know, you're interested in, to equal this amount anyways. So here is them in comparison, and you do get a lot of product for this one here. Like I said, this is 0.33, this one's 0.11, but if you buy 3 of these, it'll come out to $21 as opposed to the $27 one. So I mean, I think they're both the same. They were the same on me, so I don't know. I think it's a good dupe. They're already starting to fight. They already know it's bedtime. So, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. But we will see you next video. Bye guys. Guys. Oh, come here. Come here. Oh, look at him. Look at my boo-boos. You want kisses? You want some kisses? Oh. Okay. Bye guys.